commitment, and discipline. It tests our dedication to our advocacies and pushes us to be that confront our own limitations and ultimately revealing our true character.
Nagpalit pa siyang damit.
Secondly, holding this title means embodying the values cherished by the Ginoong Kanlahi organization. We must strive to be the epitome of these values, representing our city and organization with humility and camaraderie at every turn. Lastly, we must embrace discomfort and change, pushing ourselves beyond our comfort zones and embracing growth. It is through these challenges that we truly discover our strengths and proudly reflect on our journey. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to those who have supported me along this path. To Israel, Aris Flores, the kingmakers of Tarlac who supported me and built me from the scratch. I will not be here right now without your guidance, love, and support. Thank you so much, and to the entire NA pageant camp as well. Your mentorship and guidance have been invaluable. To Chris De Gia and Andre Jaus, thank you for helping me present myself with pride and confidence. To my designers, JC Medina, Albert Andrada, Kevin Kayanan, Tony Kimpo, Rick Sabinian, and Barge Ramos, thank you for making me shine all throughout my pageant journey. To Mayor Alice Go, Mayor Christy Angeles, and the LGUs of Bamban and Tarlac City, your unwavering support has been a constant source of strength. To Dr. Jewel Pagco of Jewel Aesthetic Solution and Dr. Warmea Cruz Dental Clinic, thank you for being part of my whole journey as we conquer the whole world through passion. To my parents and family, thank you for being my biggest supporters, and above all, to the Divine for your guiding light through every step of this journey. And saving the best for the last, year of charity, thank you for giving me a chance to show that we can do to leave a lasting mark on our dear Aida brothers and sisters in many different ways. Nakalasalamat po, dinilan niyo kong chance maging boses ang Panglupoyo para ipaglaban at lingunan. To my successor, I urge you to embrace this rewarding experience wholeheartedly and fulfill your duties with honor. I hope that my tenure as Ginoong Kanlahi 2023 has made Tarlac proud. With that, I bid you farewell. Once again, I am Emerson Gomez, your Ginoong Kanlahi 2023, now signing off.
Woo! Go Emerson!
Her unwavering commitment to the betterment of our society has